Okay, today we're going to do the rising water experiment. So we need some food coloring, a candle, a plate, a glass, a lighter, and some water. First we will take the food coloring. This is optional, it just helps you see what's happening. We will pour the water into the plate. Get our nice awesome blue water. We will put the candle in the plate. Light the candle.
And burn.
Next, we put the glass over the flame as the oxygen burns away inside the cup. It'll eventually put out the flame. Now the hot air starts to condense and become cool again, and it creates a vacuum inside the glass and pulls the water up into the glass. So you have rising water. So that was exciting, but we're going to find a way to make this a lot more interesting. So we're going to put the candle on as we normally would. As you can tell, there's a lot more water in the plate now because it's floating. Place the paper towel in the candle. Blue, one side, boom. Yellow, opposite side. Now the amount of heat inside the glass really affects how much is drawn up into the glass. So the more heat we have, the more air that we have that's going to be condensed and drawn back down. So we have a stronger vacuum inside. So you can see we sucked all of the water completely out of the plate. And now we have our nice blue and yellow mix turned into green, and we filled half the glass. Now that's a lot more exciting than the other one, huh? Nice big flame. Hit that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you can see the latest videos.